Alright, let's talk about Adani Total Gas Limited, or ATGL, as of June 27, 2025. If you're tracking the markets, you've probably noticed the buzz. ATGL has been on a bit of a roller coaster lately. Just this past week, the stock surged over 7% in a single day and jumped more than 12% across 5 trading sessions. But before we get carried away, let's zoom out. Year to date, ATGL is still down about 9%. And over the past year, it's dropped 24%. So what's the big picture? If you'd invested 5 years ago, you'd be looking at a massive 313% return. That's what we call a multi-bagger. Now, onto the numbers. The current market price is hovering around Rs683 with a market cap near Rs75,000 crore. The 52-week high, Rs941.90. The low, Rs532.60. Here's where things get really interesting. ATGL's price-to-earnings ratio is a whopping 114. That's way above the industry average of around 16 or 17. And the price-to-book ratio is also much higher than typical peers. In plain English, it's trading at a hefty premium. So while the return on equity is decent at nearly 17%, and the promoter holding sits strong at nearly 75%, the dividend yield is just 0.04%. If you're after regular dividends, this stock isn't exactly your cup of tea. But why all the excitement? Well, ATGL just inked a partnership with GOBP, the energy arm of Reliance and BP. This deal lets both companies leverage each other's networks. So, ATGL's gas stations can now offer GOBP's high-performance liquid fuels, and GOBP outlets can integrate ATGL's CNG units. That's a big move, especially since ATGL already runs about 650 CNG stations and GOBP operates roughly 2,000 outlets. It means more reach, more customers, and potentially more growth. ATGL is also pushing into compressed biogas, EV charging, and LNG for transport. So it's not just a gas company anymore, it's evolving into a broader energy player. Now, a quick reality check. The high valuation could be a double-edged sword. If growth doesn't keep up, the premium might not be justified. And let's be honest, Adani Group stocks have had their fair share of volatility. Analysts see resistance around Rs710, Rs720, and support at Rs650, Rs630. So watch those levels if you're trading. Remember, this isn't investment advice, just a quick snapshot of what's happening. Always do your own research and chat with a professional before making any big moves. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck out there.